Hi honeyhews. Welcome to my video on how to smell fresh all day long. In this guide, we'll share our top tips and tricks for maintaining a fresh and confident you from morning to night. Personal hygiene and confidence go hand in hand, and we're excited to help you feel your best. Segment 1. Morning Routine. Start your day off right with a refreshing shower and cleanse. Use an antiperspirant or deodorant to keep you dry and fresh, and apply a body spray or fragrance to give you a boost of confidence. Segment 2. Clothing and fabrics. The clothes you wear can make a big difference in how you smell. We'll discuss the benefits of breathable clothing like cotton and linen, and introduce you to odor-resistant fabrics that can help keep you fresh. Segment 3. Midday refreshers. Need a quick pick-me-up in the middle of the day? We'll recommend scented wipes or hand sanitizer for a quick touch-up, and share tips on reapplying fragrance throughout the day. Segment 4. Lifestyle tips. Your diet and lifestyle can also impact how you smell. We'll explore how certain foods can affect body odor, and discuss the importance of regular exercise and showering after workouts. Additional tips. Using baking soda to absorb odors. Wearing clean socks daily. Avoiding strong-smelling foods. Common mistakes that can make you smell bad, such as not showering regularly, wearing tight clothing, not using antiperspirant deodorant correctly. Thanks for watching our video on how to smell fresh all day long. We hope you found our tips and tricks helpful, and encourage you to try them out for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more lifestyle and wellness content, and share your favorite tips and products with us in the comments below.